The Three Trials of Willowbrook. Long ago, in the misty village of Willowbrook, there was a rumor that a treasure of unmeasurable worth lay hidden somewhere within the woods. This wasn't a treasure of gold or jewels, but something far more valuable, whispered to be the gift of the seasons. Only the bravest and wisest could find it, and over the years, many had tried and failed. One evening, three friends, a clever girl named Alara, a strong boy named Thomas, and a quiet, thoughtful boy named Finch, gathered in the town square. They had all heard the tale of the gift of the seasons, but were certain they had what it took to succeed where others had failed. "Let's seek the gift of the seasons," Alara declared, her eyes shining with excitement. "With Thomas's strength, Finch's wisdom, and my quick thinking, we're sure to find it." The three friends set off at dawn, following an ancient map given to them by an elderly woman who had once tried to find the treasure herself. As they entered the heart of the woods, they faced the first trial, the path of shadows. In this part of the forest, light barely touched the ground, and strange whispers echoed through the trees. The shadows seemed to move, twisting the path and confusing their sense of direction. "Alara, stay close," Finch whispered, noticing her nervous glance. "Focus on the light within you, and the shadows will lose their power." Following Finch's advice, they each held onto their resolve, and soon enough, the path cleared, the shadows fading as they found their way through. Next, they arrived at the River of Reflection. The river was calm and clear, mirroring everything perfectly. To cross, each of them had to confront an image of themselves, a vision showing both their strengths and weaknesses. Thomas saw himself hesitant and uncertain, a version of himself he feared others would notice. "You must accept every part of yourself, Thomas," Alara encouraged him. "Only then can you cross." With newfound courage, Thomas faced his reflection, and the vision faded, allowing them to cross to the other side. Finally, they reached the last trial, the Tree of Timelessness. This ancient, towering tree was said to hold the secret of the gift of the seasons. But to understand it, they had to answer a riddle whispered by the wind. "What is it that dies every autumn, only to be reborn with spring's first breath?" the tree seemed to ask. The friends thought carefully. Then Finch stepped forward, his voice calm. "It is life itself, the cycle of nature," he replied. With that answer, the tree's branches parted, revealing a hidden glade. In the center of the glade, bathed in golden light, was the gift of the seasons, a simple seed glowing with warmth and vitality. They realized that the treasure wasn't an object, but the wisdom to understand nature's cycles and the strength to adapt. They returned to Willowbrook, sharing the lesson they had learned. And every year, the villagers gathered to plant new seeds, honoring the lesson of the gift of the seasons. That resilience, unity, and respect for nature's cycles were the greatest treasures of all.